Hey, what's up guys, it's TechZoomer, talking to you here, and as you can see, I have the Apple Watch Ultra in my hands, so I just wanna waste any more time. This is the Apple Watch Ultra unboxing and first impressions. Of course, I will do more videos reviewing it and try to tell you if it's worth it or not, but by the reviews that I saw and by the other unboxings that I saw, this is a quite good looking watch in my opinion, and I'm very excited to unbox it. If you are also excited to watch this video and all of my coverage on the Apple Watch Ultra, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, it would really help me out. So, no further ado, let's unbox this beast, shall we? So, here we have the Apple Watch Ultra unboxing. As you can see, here we have the box from the Apple Watch Ultra, and I'm very excited. Let me just open up. This video has been shot on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Not on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, just because it's one of the last things I will probably do before the final review, but that's okay. So this is the box of the Apple Watch Ultra. It's a small box. Wow, I did not expect this. There you go. This is the Apple Watch Ultra box. You can see here it says Apple Watch. Jesus, it's not a plastic box, it's actually carton. So wow, this is a paper box. I never thought. This is a recycled paper maybe. This is cool. No plastic this time. This is the Apple Watch. Let me just put it at the side. Wow, this has this theme of accessories and the papers are here. As you can see, Apple Watch and wow, all the new features, and of course, this new paper. This is pretty cool. And then, of course, we have this incredible shot of the mountains. This was not probably shot on iPhone, I doubt. Let me just put this to the side. And there you go. You have the Apple Watch, the strap, and the Apple Watch. Let's first open the Apple Watch and then we'll go for the bracelet. If you don't know, I have an Apple Watch Series 4 and this will be quite an upgrade for 2 weeks, I gotta say. I'm still not sure if I will keep this Apple Watch though. The thing is, like, it's a very expensive Apple Watch, but if you think about it, it's expensive, yes, but it's not overpriced because this Apple Watch offers so much that it's quite incredible. The box opens like that and it presents you the Apple Watch. Here it is, the Apple Watch Ultra. Wow, it got some weight to it. You can feel it right away after picking it up. Let me just open it. Whoa, this is beautiful. Wow, quite an Apple Watch. There you go. Your first look on my channel for the Apple Watch Ultra. Titanium, sapphire, beautiful Apple Watch. Beautiful Apple Watch. You can see here you have the action button, the new speakers. You have the new crown protection, and titanium build. The back says Apple Watch 49mm titanium. You can see here. Wow, this is beautiful design. I mean, this is what Apple is all about, is this presentation, this design, and that's why I really enjoy and making content for Apple. I mean, this is incredible. This is quite a cool unboxing. And now we have the watch band. Let me try to open this without in the box. Also, I have to return this also. So yeah, the watch band. Here it is. Wow, this is also very cool. You just remove it like so, and there you go. Now I have to put it on the Apple Watch, and let's see how it goes. It's made of a material that, whoa, this is tough. Weird material, I gotta say. This is not very used. Whoa, how does it? So that's how you make it big. You have to put it like this. One, and then the other one goes like this. Two, and then you just trap it like this, or open it up like this, and you close it. That's how you make it. Yeah, it's cool. Is it $100 worth? I don't think so. Will I use it? Maybe. This is my current Apple Watch, the Apple Watch Series 4, It's a very old Apple Watch. It doesn't run very well. The battery is almost dead. Let's put it to the side. Don't really care about that. Let's get all of these Apple Watch Ultra on my wrist and see how it looks. Open it up. I have quite a big wrist, so I think I will not have any trouble wearing this watch. I have a 160 to 170 millimeter wrist. I measure at 1 meter and 73 centimeters, so I have a very big wrist for my size. Well, you can see here the Apple Watch looks huge. Yes, I use the Apple Watch on my right wrist. Don't judge me. And yes, I like to use the Apple Watch with the crown made for the left wrist. So do not judge me. That's how I wear my Apple Watch. I know you can probably say it's wrong. I know you can probably say it's right. I don't really care about it. This is the Apple Watch Ultra on my wrist. So yeah, let's turn it on for the first time. It's on, and when it's really on, I will show you this. But now it will be up with some B-roll. So, as the Apple Watch has been configuring, as you can see here, it's finishing its all setups and stuff. I forgot to show you what's on the box. And this is quite special because you can see designed by Apple in California. You have the coordinates from the Apple campus, of course. But one thing that I forgot to show you, and it's one cool thing, it's the cable actually. This is a braided cable, just like my MacBook Pro is, and it's pretty cool. I have to open this without ripping it apart. And this one should just simply slide out. Yeah, perfect. So this is the cable. It's a braided cable with a USB-C. This charger does actually charge your Apple Watch just like the other ones. It's a titanium one. Whoa, this is titanium. Wait a minute, this is not aluminium, this is titanium. Yeah, do you know how the Apple Watch stainless steel comes with a stainless steel Apple Watch puck? Well, the Apple Watch Ultra comes with a titanium puck. This is pretty cool. Wow. I bet you any YouTuber didn't tell you that, but I did. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. But does the Apple Watch finished? No, the Apple Watch will finish. This is just an unboxing and first impressions of the Apple Watch Ultra. This is not 48-hour experience. I will have one after 2 days. Then if you enjoy these types of videos, these types of unboxings, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. This has been very tough to me to try to handle this Apple launch. But I guess I will try to review this Apple Watch as fairly as possible. I do a lot of mountain biking. I do a lot of gym work on the gym. So yes, this will be perfect because the battery life for me is the most important part of an Apple Watch. And mine is very disappointing right now. Mine dies during the day. This one should last me 2 days and I can sleep track. So if you are excited for that, do not forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my coverage on the Apple Watch Ultra. This has been the unboxing, the first impressions. So thank you guys for all your support. This has been Techsmart talking to you here. Bye.